Hey. I'm Al Cavadlo, and you are watching Ask Al. Today's question comes from Tommy, who wants to know if I have a weak side and a dominant side. Hey, Tommy. I do, in fact, have a muscular imbalance. You see, I've got one strong arm and one really strong arm. Seriously though, my less strong side is still capable of things like one-arm push-ups and pistol squats, so I'm not that worried about my minor imbalances. However, we all can and should do our best to keep our muscular imbalances from becoming too exaggerated. Problems tend to arise when people favor their strong side while neglecting their less strong side. The plan should be to minimize your imbalances, not make them worse. Now I know sometimes it's more fun to train your stronger side, but if you have a weak spot, it's likely going to hold you back overall from advancing in your training. So addressing your muscular imbalances can actually help you progress, and it can help avoid injury. Unilateral exercises like one-arm hangs, monkey bars, one-arm push-ups, and single leg squat variations are great ways to even things out. You can also regress any of those exercises if they're too hard for you by giving yourself a little assistance from your other side. Heck, just focusing your attention more on your less strong side during two-limbed movements can actually do a lot to help work toward fixing those imbalances. Well, that's all the time I've got for this Ask Al. Thanks for watching. It's good to be back. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. As always, I'm Al Cavadlo, and we're working out.